How to create a WhatsApp broadcast group. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view chats. Tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Then, tap on this option, New Broadcast. Select the contacts you want to share the message with. Then, tap on Create from the top right corner. Type in the message and hit the Send button. Once the message has been delivered, tap on the message option at the top panel. Here, you can set the name of the list. Type in the name of the list in this bar. Here, you can also see the list of recipients. The max number of recipients for a broadcasted message is set to 265. You can edit the list as well. Now go back and you can see the name of the broadcasted list at the top, and the message has been delivered into their individual chats. Others cannot view the list. So, by following these steps, you can create a WhatsApp broadcast group.